Whoa, Shiba, what the heck just happened? According to today's Shiba Inu news, the SHIB price has decreased from its all-time high of $0.57 on February 4. The decline began with a large bearish divergence in the daily RSI, which sent the price to a low of $0.107. A noteworthy occurrence on March 1st was the SHIB token price dropping from the $122 support area to $0. Shiba Inu prices are now trying to confirm a prior long-term declining resistance line as support. In the event of failure, the SHIB price can drop to the next support at zero. A retest of the $122 zero-point region, however, may be in order if it bounces. We'll discuss what the heck happened to Shiba Inu SHIB news in this video. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. According to the technical analysis of the 6-hour time period, the SHIB price may have finished an ABC corrective structure that started after the annual high on February 5. If so, the SHIB price is either in wave C or the fix has already been made. A low of $0 might result from waves A to C having a 1:2 in ratio. Although this level has not yet been reached, the $0.08 level of the 0.618 fib retracement support raises the prospect that the correction is now over. The modest bullish divergence that emerged in the RSI also supports this. Therefore, the completion of the C wave between those two levels, followed by the continuation of the upward trend, is the price of the Shiba Inu prediction that is most likely to occur. A fall under wave 1, however, $78 would become invalid at zero. Analysis of a bullish Shiba Inu coin might result in a decline of $50 to zero. The formation of a bottom is, therefore, the SHIB price forecast that is most plausible. $0.100 was closed, then there was an ascent. A decrease below zero would cost $78. Disprove this bullish prediction. If so, the SHIB coin price may drop to $50 at zero. As of right now, the price of SHIB has decreased by 1.58% today, 13.98% last week, and 13.32% over the previous 30 days. However, the digital asset has increased by 35.74% since the beginning of the year, supported by the general confidence on the cryptocurrency market. The market capitalization of Shiba Inu, which at the time of publishing was a staggering $6.6 billion, according to the most recent data available on CoinMarketCaps, places it as the 15th biggest digital asset overall. Shiba Inu numbers may seem little, but they have the ability to rise in value and potentially make a cautious investor a fortune. However, there is still a long way to go before it reaches the value per unit of things like Bitcoin and Ethereum. By way of perspective, 1 million Shiba Inu coins could have been acquired for only $7 in September 2021, illustrating this gradual rise in price over time. In the end, it all comes down to closely examining the market circumstances, the amount of money one is ready to put in it, and the value of the token when selling. The highly anticipated Layer 2 network Shibarium is currently being developed by the Shib crew. SHIBASWAP is the only recognized decentralized exchange for the Shiba Inu and Shibarium ecosystem, according to the project's principal creator, Satoshi Kazama, who just told the world through his Twitter bio. The prize fund for the regular Shiba Eternity competition has increased, according to main creator Satoshi Kazama of Shiba Inu. The competitions were now held twice a month thanks to AMA, which encouraged players in the SHIB ecosystem to be optimistic. For Shiba Eternity, Shiba Inu ecosystem hosts a monthly competition. Recently, Kazama announced an increase in the prizes, which will now be worth $500 for first place and $250 for second and third. For the pricing pool and DocPad funding, Kazama recruited a sponsor. The incentives were sponsored by Shibarium's official Launchpad ecosystem. The event will now happen twice a month, giving participants more opportunities to benefit. Since February 26, benefits Shiba Inu's price has dropped by over 10%. The Layer 2 scaling solution, Shibarium, is about to go live, and the Shib community can't wait. The introduction of the scaling solution is anticipated to spur a rebound in the Deutsche Coin killer meme coin. Recently, Kusama brought attention to a MetaMask feature intended to enhance users' gaming experiences. This action increased rumors that the main developer could think about fusing Shiba Eternity with MetaMask. SHIB price fell precipitously from 0.2 as a result of the Silvergate FUV, according to pseudonymous Satoshi Kusama, a main developer of Shiba Inu and the Shibarium project. Shibarium is the much-anticipated blockchain platform meant to allow users and developers to activate new use cases over the current blockchain. The intake form received some amazing submissions, which were this week published on Medium. According to his statement, all incoming submissions are being assessed, and this weekend, replies for the completed forms will be given out. This weekend, everyone who filled out the intake form ought to get an email reply. We are only categorizing and giving each of the thousands of contributions the consideration it deserves. Kusama noted that various projects have been in touch with the SHIB crew to work with Shibarium in the reopened Telegram Shibarium discussion. Kusama also expressed his gratitude to the neighborhood for the many entries, saying that this helps the SHIB army. While everything is prepared for the release of the Shibarium beta, the main developer tweeted a link to Spotify and said that the song is playing repeatedly while we work. All of them were also invited to the project. Recently, the project staff has been quite quiet, which worried several members of the SHIB community. For the purpose of informing the world about the Shibarium beta and the Shiba Inu metaverse, Kusama claimed to have been working ceaselessly with a number of teams under his direction. He said that later this year, during the SXSD festival, they will reveal the Wagmi Temple hub. Everyone is welcome to Shibarium, but let me clarify a few things first. I am very excited to see what everyone submits, and I have already seen some amazing ones. I'm keeping quiet since I'm working with many teams to upgrade Shibarium in time for the beta test and SXSW for Shib.io, the metaverse. In addition, Kusama commented on the cross-chain platform SHIBASWAP. He said that SHIBASWAP will become the recognized decentralized exchange for Shibarium once Shibarium was launched. In case it wasn't apparent, the SHIB team will make sure that a cross-chain updated with the latest designs from the team and gorgeous Shiba switch will be the official DEX of Shibarium. I'm excited to meet the others. Shibarium has been in the news for a while. On February 13, it was reported that the beta version of the project will be released shortly, but nothing of the kind transpired. Additionally, it was said that users of the site would need to purchase SHIBASWAP in order to use it. Security is one of the project's key areas of interest, since it is said to be safe and temperature-proof, making it appropriate for usage with sensitive data. Because of its openness, it is also perfect for keeping track of transactions and activity. Shibarium is moreover claimed to be affordable and to move at an intriguing pace. If you like dogs and money, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu should be on your list of places to visit. They have been in competition with one another for a while now. Shiba Inu were nonetheless given the moniker of the Dogecoin murderers, despite arriving on the scene a little later. According to the legend, Shiba Inu was developed to compete with Dogecoin, which was initially intended to be a parody of Bitcoin. In many ways, both objectives succeeded and fell short. The success of Dogecoin may be attributed to its open-ended approach to cryptocurrency trading. Over the years, the SHIB Army's expertise in smart contracts has boosted investor trust. That's what I mean by a smart dog now. In recent weeks, the market reaction to Dogecoin has fluctuated. It will undoubtedly be advantageous to learn that Unstoppable Domains, a supplier of Web3 domains, has chosen Dogecoin as its payment method. Shiba Inu's most recent announcement is also encouraging, as they work to address market volatility with the Shibarium beta launch. The market may respond differently to each large project announcement made in public. Shiba Inu anticipates a favorable reaction. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.